Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the file format for your videos and your photos on your iPhone. So it's easier for your Windows 10 or 11 computer to detect it. And by default, you're going to be using the HEIV format and the HEVC format, which is just a high efficiency way to store your videos and your photos. So what we want to do is just go to settings, select this, and then under here, locate camera, and it's about halfway down under like all these apps. So you'll see movie, music, TV, and photos. Go to camera. Then under here, locate format is about the fourth option down. Then you have high efficiency and most compatible. So you can see HEIF and HEVC formats. You want to switch from high efficiency over to most compatible, and you'll be using JPEG and H.264, and the files will be much more manageable on your computer now. So just switch it over, and you shouldn't have too much of an issue now with your video editor or anything else. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.